Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Ford Fiesta engine overheating issues and what could be causing them based on commonly documented and verified information. Engine overheating in the Ford Fiesta generally refers to coolant temperature rising beyond normal operating range, which may trigger a temperature warning light, reduced engine performance, or steam from the engine bay. Verified information shows this concern has been observed across multiple Fiesta model years with variation depending on engine configuration, cooling system design, mileage, and maintenance history. One commonly documented cause involves low coolant level or coolant loss. Leaks from hoses, the radiator, or the coolant reservoir can reduce system capacity and limit heat dissipation. Cooling fan operation is another verified cause category. If the radiator cooling fan does not engage properly due to electrical faults, relays, or motor where airflow through the radiator can be insufficient, especially at low speeds. Thermostat-related issues have also been documented. A thermostat that sticks closed can restrict coolant flow and cause rapid temperature rise. After these documented causes are introduced, it is important to clarify that this video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year, mileage, or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. Additional potential contributing factors may include radiator blockage, water pump performance reduction, or air trapped in the cooling system after service. These factors are not present in every case but could be related depending on inspection results and service history. General guidance for addressing engine overheating usually involves checking coolant level and condition, inspecting for leaks, verifying cooling fan operation, and confirming proper thermostat function. Verified owner feedback trends indicate varied outcomes, with some vehicles resolved through routine cooling system repairs, while others require more in-depth diagnosis depending on age and usage. In conclusion, Ford Fiesta engine overheating concerns are not linked to a single cause and may differ by model year, engine type, and cooling system configuration. Accurate diagnosis is essential to prevent engine damage and ensure reliable operation. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.